Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this slitinto 65W 12 amps 4 ports USB charging station with 20 watts PD wireless QC 3.0. Here we have the box, some of the specs and description also on the box. So let's open it and see what we get. Beautiful white charging station, some of description and safety instructions. And you have the power cable here. What's important to know, it works from 110 to 240 volts worldwide. Of course we would need a different adapter. So let's plug it in and see. What we have here is a really interesting button here. We have the on off, but at the same time we have different illuminations. So if you want to use that on a bedside table, this can definitely help to not have too much light during the night. So let's check on the wireless charge with this watch here. And doesn't take too long and it starts charging. Of course it's very low charge, doesn't show up here because it's so low. It's a smartwatch which is only charging very slow. Has nothing to do with this charging station here. And let's also test with this phone, which is really hard to wireless charge. This is a very thick, rugged phone, and for most of the chargers it's impossible to charge this thing, and it looks like it's same thing here. Oh, really nice. I still got the charge. That's pretty impressive here. It's almost impossible for most of the wireless chargers to charge this very thick, rugged phone, but it looks like this thing is charging it. We have 9 volts, 1 amp, so close to 10 watts wireless charging. Really impressive. Then let's test the different ports. Here we are starting with the USB-C PD. Let's see what we can get. Quite a lot of support. I hope you can see that. A lot of compatibility with Apple, Samsung, Huawei, up to 12 volts, 18 watts. You can see that here, up to 1.5 amps. Quick Charge 2.0, Quick Charge 3.0 and PD 3.0. Everything confirmed here. I think the maximum is supposed to be 3 amps. Let's see what we can do. We are even a little bit higher. Let's see the voltage. The voltage is still above 5 volts. Here we are a little bit below, but it's of course because of the cable. Let's see if we can go even higher. We are at crazy 3.6 amps. It's much more than we had in the listing. Let's see when it stops. 3.8, 3.9. Yeah, 3.9. It has been stopping, so you can see it has nice protection inside, so you don't have to be worried that it will burn down or explode, something like that. And let's also check with the next port. That's the quick charge port, and we have exactly same thing except from the PD support. Of course that's not possible with USB-A. So let's check on the normal USB-A port. I'm expecting 2.4 amps at 5 volts and looks like it's confirming that. Now let's see what happens when we are using real power. I'm turning it on, 1 amps here. You can see it's exactly showing same thing. Of course the voltage here is going a little bit down, but that's the cable. That has nothing to do with the charging station. Now let's pull a little bit of real power. Here we have 2 amps. I'm starting this here, you can see that here, and additionally I'm pulling 2 amps here as well. So what the display does then, because it has only one display, it shows alternately the values from port 1 and then 2. If you had 4, it would then show port 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. What we also see, we can turn off completely the light. Has nothing to do with the charging station. We can completely turn it off and the charging station is still charging. That's important to know as well. So I've been running this now for a while and it looks like it's delivering steady power. By the way, the display is also steady. It's not what you see in the camera here. The display is nice and clear and stable. It's not flickering. It's just problem with the camera, with the picture refreshing rate. So it looks like everything is good, doesn't heat up too much, it's barely warm. Of course, if you would full maximum power, it would heat up a little bit, but it has nice overcurrent, overheating protection, everything good. So as far as I can see, everything is nicely working, so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.